Welcome to this GCSE Computer Science revision session on subroutines. Today we're looking at how to organize our code into manageable chunks to save time, reduce errors, and make our programs much easier to read. In OCR Computer Science, there are two types of subroutines, procedure and functions. We'll start with a procedure. A procedure carries out a specific task, but does not give any data back to the main program. Here we have some code. We've defined the procedure called print welcome. Notice the def. This is the keyword used to define the procedure. And we're going to be typing in a call to this function, which means in our main menu here, we're going to call that procedure or run it. So I type in print underscore welcome. That's the name of our procedure. Open bracket, close bracket. And we can run this program. And as you can see, it outputs the information to the right, running the 3 lines of code inside of this procedure. Sometimes though, we need to give our subroutine some data to work with. We do this using a variable called parameters. So here's another subroutine, a procedure called greet customer. Just gonna resize this a bit. Yeah. This one has inside the bracket a variable or parameter called name, and we're going to be calling this procedure using the name. So greet underscore customer. And we're going to use a name. So because it's a name, we're going to use speech marks around it. We're going to use the name John, close bracket. Now when we run this is called an argument. It will be sent up to this parameter and it will use that name inside the print statement. Let's have a look. Let's press play. And now we can see, hello John, let's calculate your total cost. This is a basic procedure. This is a argument being sent to the procedure up here, and this is called the parameter. It has one parameter, one argument, and we use that. This section is the main section of our code. We use that to call a function. We call welcome first, and then we call customer. We send the word up towards this argument called name, and it can use that now to print out our output. That is procedures.